In the heart of Scandinavia lies Denmark, a country renowned not only for its picturesque landscapes and rich cultural heritage, but also for its progressive work environment and thriving job market. As we navigate through the opportunities that the Danish job market presents in 2024, it's clear that Denmark continues to be a beacon for young professionals from across the globe, offering a unique blend of innovation, sustainability, and work-life balance that is second to none. Denmark's economy, characterized by its robust welfare system, high degree of digitization, and commitment to green energy, has created a fertile ground for job seekers in various sectors. The Danish government's investment in technology and sustainability has propelled industries such as renewable energy, biotechnology, and information technology to the forefront of the job market. Companies like Vestas and Ørsted are leading the charge in renewable energy, offering opportunities for engineers, project managers, and sustainability consultants who are looking to make a tangible impact on the global energy transition. The biotech sector, with firms such as Novo Nordisk and Leo Pharma, continues to expand, driven by Denmark's strong pharmaceutical industry and research environment. This sector offers a plethora of opportunities for scientists, researchers, and healthcare professionals, highlighting Denmark's role as a hub for medical innovation and research. Information technology is another area where Denmark excels. The country's emphasis on digitization across public and private sectors has created a demand for IT professionals. From software developers to cybersecurity experts, the IT sector in Denmark is ripe with opportunities for those looking to advance in the tech industry. Companies like Trustpilot and Unity Technologies, both of which have roots in Denmark, exemplify the country's vibrant tech scene and its global impact. But what truly sets Denmark apart in the job market is its unparalleled focus on work-life balance. Danish companies are known for their flat hierarchies, flexible working hours, and generous parental leave policies, reflecting a societal value system that prioritizes the well-being of employees. This approach not only attracts international talent, but also contributes to high job satisfaction and productivity levels among the workforce. For young professionals looking to navigate the Danish job market, mastering the Danish language can be a significant asset, despite the widespread proficiency in English. Language skills can enhance integration into the Danish community and open up additional opportunities in sectors where Danish is preferred. Furthermore, Denmark's educational institutions offer a range of courses and degrees in English, providing a pathway for international talent to enter the Danish job market. The process of finding a job in Denmark has been made more accessible through platforms like JobNet and Work in Denmark, where vacancies are listed across industries and resources are available to help international candidates understand the nuances of the Danish job market. Networking, both online and through community events, plays a crucial role in uncovering job opportunities, as does a proactive approach to engaging with companies and industry professionals. In conclusion, as we look towards 2024, Denmark stands out as a country that not only offers a wealth of job opportunities across various sectors, but also champions a quality of life that is attractive to young professionals from around the world. Whether it's the allure of contributing to the green energy sector, engaging in cutting-edge biotech research, or innovating within the IT industry, Denmark offers a dynamic and supportive environment for building a fulfilling career. Coupled with its commitment to sustainability, social welfare, and work-life balance, Denmark is not just a place to work, but a place to thrive.